Hi there, this is another one on bearings, part 3. So here I wanted to go through my answer for question 5. I thought I'd draw it beforehand so you can see what it would look like. So on the question you were just at the harbour and the lighthouse in the north lines, and I've drawn these lines in here. So let me explain how I got them. So a boat is on a bearing of 300 degrees from the lighthouse. So that means I've got a protractor and or angle measure, and I measured 300 degrees all the way round. Or if you're feeling clever and you haven't got an angle measure and you've only got one of these D protractors, I would have measured in here as 60, yeah, because it's 360 all the way round, and then that bit in there is just 60. Okay, so I then put my angle measure or protractor on, and I measured 60 degrees backwards or 300 degrees clockwise, and I did a little mark, and then I joined it up and made a straight line coming out of the lighthouse. Okay, so why am I doing that is because I know that somewhere along this line, okay, is my boat. Okay, it's on a 60-degree angle anti-clockwise or 300 degrees clockwise angle from the lighthouse. So this boat is somewhere along this line. Now I can't pinpoint it unless I use the other bearing, which is from the harbour. So I put my protractor on here clockwise and I measured 40 degrees in there. And then I joined up to make a line coming out of the harbour. Position X is where the two meet. So the boat is at this point here because it's on a 60 degrees from the lighthouse and a 40 degrees from the harbour. So hopefully you can draw that accurately for this question, and that is how you do it. Hopefully that was helpful. Bye.